this.
Yeah.
But you know, if I could find one of them at a price I could afford,
Yeah.
I would live with it, because it's a lovely
I
thing.
was sort of intrigued that there are other guns which have Whitworth rifling, aren't there?
Yes.
Which I was surprised at. So I think there's one in Holt's at the moment, which is a monkey tail. With Whitworth rifle.
Of that.
So there must be shorter rifles out there, as it were.
So the monkey tails that I've owned, that say with patent on them,
Yeah.
they don't have.
Oh, they're not
No,
hexagonal.
It's more conventional rifle.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Oh,
So I
okay.
don't know what the patent is for, but it's
Okay.
apparently not for the rifling.
Oh,
Yeah.
right, okay. Well,
I've doing that too.
I'm wrong.
And I've owned two of them.
Okay.
And both had that marking on them, but both had just regular
Cut rifle.
cylindrical bores.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, hush my mouth.
But they made it like this with Whitworth bores.
Yes. Pictures of that. And I think they were more commercially successful, weren't they? I think military did buy those, various militaries, whereas they weren't so keen on the rifles. So to compare it, do you want just to compare with
Sure,
Robin's?
absolutely, yeah.
Your way.
Are you going to have a bang?
Thank you.
It's me offering a bang. I don't even have any rifle.